got a hold on me. She's the warmth of the summer, the color of spring. She's the strongest wind, the calmest breeze. That woman, she got a hold on me. That girl, she's like the finest wine. She'll give you a taste if you give her time. She's a complex heart and I don't mind. That girl, she's like the finest wine. That girl, she's like the finest wine. Now drink until my heart is full. Honey, you drink me and I drink you. You're the kind of love I'm running to. Got a hold on me, got a hold on you. Got a hold on me, well, yes you do. Yes you do.
I've been waiting on love to take me in when it can. 'Cause I've been holding out longer than I can stand. Well, time keeps passing and I can't help count every grain of sand.
I've watched you grow from this tiny, cute, little tag-along baby sister who allowed my cheerleader friends and me to use you as a rag doll into this breathtakingly beautiful, intelligent, feisty, insanely talented, extraordinary woman.
The best. Sorry, she's calling me. Yes? Phillips or Flathead? Are you kidding me?
Hey, boo. You've always told me when you meet the right one, you'll know. And I have. Cristian is my person. He's to me how Dad is to you. You've taught me how I deserve to be loved, not to settle, to know my worth and to always love big.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're actually doing this.
It's happening.
It is happening. We're doing it.
Let's do it.
We're doing it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Dear friends and relatives, we welcome each of you today to participate in this joyful and happy occasion in the life of Cristian Beitler and Courtney Zuber. This mutual love for each other is why we're here today.
'Cause I have felt the height of every mountain, looked in the eye of every storm. And I've been waiting on some sunlight to come breaking through my own.
Hi, babe. We did it. Our day is finally here, quicker than we thought, but I cannot wait to get to you at the end of this aisle. I wanted to take this moment to remind you to breathe, release all those nerves, emotions, and jitters because this is going to be one of the best days of our lives.
This ring, a gift for you, symbolizes my desire that you be my wife.
This ring, a gift for you, symbolizes my desire that you be my husband.
From this day forward,
As this ring has no end,
neither shall my love for you.
neither shall my love for you.
She said, "You're my Mr. Right. You brought laughter, spontaneity, and made my life fulfilling. You were the man God intended for me. Here are some things from Cristian's letter. Your beauty and love for family and friends is what I admire. You remove me from my comfort zone and help me see things in new ways. But my favorite is how you love me without question. Cristian, you may now kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now present you Mr. and Mrs. Cristian Byler.
Today, as I look at Cristian and Courtney, I see a perfect match. I do. Their love and commitment to each other are truly inspiring. Courtney, you bring out the best in Cristian, and I can see how happy you make him.
Oh, I never thought I could get the chance to be here with you.
Watching you two together is so special. You truly bring out the best in one another. I so look forward to all the good times to come. So cheers to you, Courtney and Cristian, wishing you life, happiness, and love.
And then she comes to me and she says, Dad, I really like this guy. I'm going, well, that's okay. She's like the other guys. I mean, it'll be okay. And then she comes to me and she says, Dad, how do you know if he's really the one? And I said, that's real simple. If he comes first in your life, he's the one. And I know he does.
Oh, I never thought I could.
Together, you two are unstoppable. So let's raise our glasses to Cristian and Courtney. May your journey together be filled with love, joy, and endless adventures. Cheers to a lifetime of happiness.
Never thought I could get the chance to be here with you.
Cristian and Courtney, in the days ahead of you, there'll be stormy times and good times, times of conflict, times of joy. Remember that true friendship is the basis for a long-lasting relationship. And remember this day as a covenant you made before God.